Welcome to Wenjin Helmet, a leading helmet manufacturing company with over 20 years of history. We are proud to introduce that Wenjin Company has become a leader in the domestic helmet industry, standing out for its excellent quality and unremitting innovation. Our entrepreneurial journey began as a foreign trade OEM, and now our annual turnover has exceeded 100 million, becoming one of the best helmet manufacturers in China. Not only that, we also unswervingly adhere to independent research and development, bringing together a series of independent brands such as AR, MY, Ryzen, and RSV. Wenjin Company actively participates in major expositions, including the well-known Canton Fair in China, the Motorcycle Expo in Beijing, Xi'an, and Chongqing, and even the International Milan Motorcycle Fair. Our off-road team not only represents the brand in competitions, but also our pursuit of extreme challenges. We enthusiastically participate in charity motorcycle travel activities, hold AR helmet brand cross-country races, and cooperate with local dealers to continuously expand brand awareness. We have participated in Wuhan Motorcycles Music Festival, Shengtan Motorcycles Carnival, Zhuhai Motorsports Event Brand Exhibition and other occasions. We have extensive deployment in the self-media field, and have multiple official accounts such as Douyin, WeChat official account, and Facebook. We have brand flagship stores on Taobao, Tmall, JD.com and Pinduoduo to provide you with a more convenient shopping experience. In Wenjin, we know that every decision and every innovation is the delivery of our trust in you. Thank you for your support. Let us create a better motorcycle world together.